Hi, Greg Dorsey here. It's Tuesday, May 17th at Leeb.com, Leeb.com. Well, stocks seem to be mired in a trading range, and it's hard to say where they're headed next as the economy shows continued signs of slowing. But things like reduced commodity prices will help to relieve some of that pressure. From a technical perspective, one of the key positives for stocks this year had been the strong relative strength of small cap shares. Uh, it would be highly unusual for the overall market to stage a significant sell off when the little guys are outpacing their larger brethren. In the last few weeks, however, we've seen a deterioration in that relative strength. We're not yet at the point where alarm bells are going off, but we no longer have the favorable condition to point to either. If the economy shows additional signs of slowing, we would expect the small caps relative strength to deteriorate further, and we'll be watching that closely. As for blue chips, the benchmark S&P 500 slipped below its 50-day moving average today, but did manage to close above it. The S&P undercutting its 50-day moving average may not amount to anything, but it does increase the likelihood of a bigger pullback developing. With the March lows around 1250 or so on the S&P 500 a distinct possibility. That's roughly about 5% from current levels. Not a big pullback, but a pullback nonetheless. And we'll remind you that declines of as much as 10% can occur during bull markets for no apparent reason. We're keeping our eye on a number of economic data points for clues to what's in store. One such indicator is the weekly unemployment insurance claims due out Thursday. They remain stubbornly high this late in nearly 2 years into an economic expansion. Also out Thursday is the Conference Board's index of leading economic indicators, which has been pointing to a slowing economy as well, although it's not yet signaling a recession. As for investments, the best opportunities in this market remain commodity-related shares. We can't pound the table hard enough for those, especially silver, copper, gold, things in that area. So use this weakness as a chance to buy more if you haven't done so already. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for stopping by. We'll have more for you later.